Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Mitty Altman, your PBIA instructor. Alright, so here's a close-up of the Delta 13 Select billiard ball rack. I have to say, it's a quality product. It's 100% high-grade machined aluminum. All right, so the one thing you're going to have to get used to is the noise of the rack. That's the only thing, but remember, I mean, it's a quality machined product. The joints, it's just absolutely perfect, totally smooth everywhere. But let me demonstrate. You hear the noise I'm talking about. You know, most of us, more than likely, are using a wooden rack, or if you're using one of the turtle racks or magic racks, the ones that actually, it's a material that lays flat, they work extremely well. I know there's some people that don't like to have anything on their table after they rack, so again, I played for a long time with a wooden rack. You know, over time, it splinters, it wears, they wear unevenly, and the wood will give eventually. The plastic racks are one of the worst because every time you go to put pressure to make a tight rack, they usually bow out on you. So this rack, I have to say, I played around with it a while and I'm very impressed with it. So again, this is the Delta Select 13. I believe they make two different racks. There's even a more expensive one. This one will retail for somewhere around $75 to $85 online. You can get it on my website. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in this rack. It actually has little notches on each side, so when you actually, you know, lay it down and line it up, you could see, you can use that notch to line up with your diamond behind you if you prefer that. Again, quality product. It's made here in the United States. It's not an inexpensive rack, so you're definitely going to spend a few dollars. The average retail price is somewhere around $75 to $85, but I have to say, it's going to absolutely last you a lifetime. You're never going to have to worry about it bowing out like the plastic racks. You know, they crack, and you just never get a really good tight rack with those. So again, you know, if you prefer a rack that's totally removable, after you rack, you take it off the table, there's nothing left on the table, as in a turtle rack or magic 8-ball rack. Again, all right, so let me read the details to you on this particular billiard ball rack. This is directly from their website. This Delta 13 Select ball rack is precision machined for a better break. The 16-ounce ball rack is made from 3 aluminum anodized rails and held together by stainless steel screws. Says this ball rack comes in 2 colors, pitch black and silver gray. I only sell the black one. This ball rack is used by trick shot artist Florian Kohler. It's 100% made in the USA, and it is patent. So again, I mean, it's absolutely, you know, it's a lifetime rack. That's what the best way to describe it. You won't be disappointed. Please check it out on my website. Again, I know it's a really short video, but there's not much more to say about it. It's just extremely adorable. And again, like I said, it's going to last a lifetime.